Hello, in this short video I'm going to show you how to save documents into your OneDrive. So I want to save this PowerPoint presentation that I created last fall, and I'm going to upload that into my OneDrive. So I would go to File, Save As, and go to my OneDrive from EPISD, and I notice that I'm saving as a PowerPoint into my OneDrive, and I'm going to name this Orientation 2019 because I did this last fall. And I'm going to save it. And it should have saved in my OneDrive, so I'm going to close this. And I'm going to log on to Microsoft 365 login. I'm going to sign in with my EPISD email. And my EPISD password. And I'm going to sign into my OneDrive. My PowerPoint Orientation 2019 is here, so I'm going to open it. And from here, I can edit it, I can present it, I can review it, and I can print it. So that's how you save onto your OneDrive. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to stop by the Jefferson Library. We'll be glad to help. Thanks. Have a great day.